What if a 6.7 by 4 meter studio could feel like a premium Airbnb? With smart planning, custom built-ins, and a modern contemporary design with warm luxury touches, every square meter works beautifully. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas, you get a real plan that fits you. So, you want to have good interior design? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Let's start with the bedroom. Every piece is planned to maximize comfort and storage. Moving to the dining area, the layout keeps the space open while staying functional. And finally, the kitchen. The kitchen combines efficient storage with a clean, modern look. Every area is designed to make the most of the space. With smart planning, custom built-ins, and warm modern finishes, this small studio becomes a comfortable Airbnb that guests will enjoy. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp.